You're in the middle of the group, but somehow you feel completely alone.
Invisible isn't about being unseen. It's about feeling like there's a wall between you and connection.
You try to step into the conversation, but the attention keeps moving away from you.
When you feel unseen, your body physically shrinks. You make yourself smaller to avoid the pain of being ignored.
Your brain registers social rejection like physical pain. It's not drama, it's biology.
The fix isn't being louder. It's changing how you occupy space.
Stand tall. Uncross your arms. Take up space. Your presence is not a request. You don't need permission to be seen. You need to see yourself first. When you stop shrinking, people start noticing. Confidence is magnetic. You were never invisible. You were just waiting for permission to shine. Subscribe for more.